In this video, I will be showing you how to blur an image in Canva. Let's get started. Starting here on the Canva homepage, I move my cursor up to the top left corner and click on the purple Create a Design button. A drop-down menu appears on the screen with various design formats. From the frequently used list, I select YouTube thumbnail to open up a brand new blank canvas in the editor. Once the editor finishes loading, I head over to the left sidebar menu and click on the Elements tab. In the Elements panel, under the Recently Used section, I click See All, scroll down through my media, and select this picture of students tossing their graduation caps to place it onto the canvas. To make the photo fit the entire canvas neatly, I hover over the white circular anchor handle at the bottom right corner of the image border. I click and drag it outward until it covers the whole workspace. I adjust the framing slightly in the crop view, then click onto the canvas to confirm the placement. With the photo selected on the canvas, I click the Edit button in the top toolbar to open the image editing controls on the left. Under the Tools section, I click on See All to view all available effects and enhancements, and then I click on the Blur tool to open up the Blur Settings panel. Inside the Blur Settings panel, there are two primary options: Brush and Whole Image. I click on the Whole Image tab first to check the settings, then switch back to the Brush tab. With Add Blur selected, I move the brush size slider to adjust the brush thickness so it is ready for selective editing. Now I move my cursor over the image and paint across the lower section where the crowd of graduates is standing. The purple highlight clearly shows the exact path of my brush. Once I release the mouse button, Canva smoothly applies the blur effect over the brushed area. Next, I switch over to the Whole Image tab to blur the entire background. I drag the intensity slider back and forth to test different blur levels, eventually setting it at around 25. I then click the X icon to close the panel, and use the Undo and Redo buttons on the top bar to inspect and review the changes. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to blur image in Canva.